Hey guys, Mike here, Grinding Gears Garage. We're actually getting ready to do a little bit different video for you guys today. We're going to be working on our XR250L Enduro. This is my personal Enduro that I ride. I haven't ridden it a whole lot this season, obviously, because there was no engine in it. But I'm actually going to get started rebuilding the engine for once. I really miss riding this thing. I want to ride it this season a bunch. So we're going to be doing a couple videos in the next couple weeks detailing. We're going to rebuild the engine. We're going to be doing some power modifications to it. Now from factory, these are a little bit different than the XR250R. They have a little bit different gearing for the street, which is one big difference. And I believe the exhaust is different as well. But what we're going to do on our XR today is actually modify the exhaust. As you can see, there's a weld right here in the runner. What we're going to do is take our die grinder and we're going to do the best that we can to smooth this transition out. What happens is the exhaust hits that and bounces back in. So it's one big modification that you can do. You can actually change these out and run a traditional XR250R exhaust, which will give you a little bit bigger runners. But we're just going to stay with the stock, grind these welds out, and see what performance it does. So it's a quick little video today. We're going to set up our die grinder and just show you guys how much material to remove from your exhaust. So we have our pipe set up here in our bench vise. We have our micro grinder, which we're going to be using. We also have our eye protection to keep metal shavings from getting in our eyes. So we're just going to start slowly, taking out some of this weld. We are going to go through them with a sanding roll, just clean up the edges, make sure it looks good, but we'll show you guys progress as we go. Just a little bit of us grinding. So as you can see, we ground this one flush compared to this one. You can still see the weld here. We tried to also angle it towards the port, the exhaust port, so there's not as much of a lip here. Looks a lot better. We're going to take our sanding rolls and just go in there and clean that up. We're going to do the same thing to this port. So we're going to go ahead and grind this one, and we'll show you guys the finished with our carbide bit, and then we'll show you guys the finished with the sanding roll. So we have both of these cleaned up very nicely. We have our 1/4 inch die grinder with our sanding roll in it. This is 80 grit. We're going to hit with 80, 120, and we're just going to call it a day. We're not doing some crazy. This isn't a 2-stroke, so you want a smooth exhaust port, but 2 strokes you want it smoother because the fuel is leaving the exhaust, bouncing off the cone, and returning in. This is more you just want smooth delivery out, so we just smoothed this up so there wasn't restricted. We're going to sand it 80, 120, and we're going to call it a day. So we got everything sanded up, smoothed out, as you can see. So we're excited to put this back on the bike. Hopefully we get a little bit better performance out of it. Obviously it's a 250 4-stroke. It's nothing to knock down doors with. Just a fun little Enduro that we like to tear up local trails with. So thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully the next week or so we'll have a motor assembly video for this. It's down to bare case halves right now. So we're going to do a full assembly, transmission, all new bearings, all new seals. So it's going to be probably a 2-part series, a bottom end, top end. But we're going to show you guys everything, full assembly. So thanks for watching. As always, check out our Facebook page. The link is in the description below. And shoot us any messages on there if you got any questions. Try and help you guys out as best as we can. So thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you guys later.